Hey guys, Justin from Double J's Box Breaks back again tonight. The 2015-16 Artifacts box break. Oh, sorry it's late, guys. I'm still waiting for 8 teams. So guys, just in the future, if you could just pay as soon as possible so that everybody else doesn't have to wait, be greatly appreciated. So with that being said, let's get started. Last listing ended, Winnipeg Jets on February 27th, 10:24 Eastern Standard Time. It's 5:06 a.m. Still waiting on 8 teams to pay. I guess sometimes that happens. Serial number NE241114785. We're looking for 4785. There you go. 4785. It is, of course, a sealed box of Upper Deck Artifacts. So, that being said, let's get into it. Empty box. 8 packs. Good luck, everyone. Thanks for joining us tonight. And here we go. Number 1. We have pulled 2 Panerins and 2 McDavids out, so hopefully we can get a third and a third, maybe a first Jack. Alright, first card, base card. And it looks like our redemption's coming up right away, so the decoy, and look at that again. Panarin. Right off the bat. Panarin rookie redemption. So 3 Panarins in the same case. Let's see. Yep. 190. For you guys that are new to this, let me pull up the redemption list here. There you go. There is 190, and it is Artemi Panarin for the Chicago Blackhawks. So it's a good way to start a break. Chicago on the board first, and a base and a base. Got with this. Okay, and a base. And a decoy. And for the Dallas Stars, a Frozen Artifacts, Kari Lehtinen. And I guess just one base in that one. Next pack, base, and a decoy, and for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Upper Deck Artifacts Parallel, 239 out of 999, Sidney Crosby. And a base, and a base. Next pack, base, and a base, and a decoy, and nice card. New York Rangers, John Van Riesbroek, 452 out of 499. So Rangers on the board, and a base. Next pack. Here we have a base and decoy, and for the Anaheim Ducks, 184 out of 999, Ryan Getzlaf. He's been picking it up as of late. And a base and a base. And next pack, base, base, and decoy. And for the Columbus Blue Jackets, a Emerald 97 out of 99, Ryan Johansson. And a base. And a base. And a decoy. And for the Pittsburgh Penguins, a Lord Stanley Legacy Relics Authentic Game Used Jersey, Ron Francis. Pretty nice hit there. I don't believe it's numbered. Nope, no numbering. But nevertheless, nice card. And a base. And last pack, guys. Don't currently have anything up on eBay for you guys to look at, but by tomorrow night we should have some more breaks up, so take a look. And good luck, everybody. Last pack. It's a big one. Here we go. Oh, nice. For the Quebec Nordiques, 22 of 25, Olin Nolan. So that'll go to Colorado. Nice jersey patch. 3 patches. 1, 2, 3 on the right. Just one a jersey patch, but nice. Jersey patch Emerald. Quebec Nordiques. Olin Nolan. And then I'll have a base behind it. So, just to let you know, there is a little soft corner there from when it was in the packaging. Just to let you know. Alright, guys, that concludes the break tonight. Thanks for joining, everybody, and hopefully they'll pay by the morning time. I can get this out to you guys, okay? Have a good night. Thanks, guys.